Hello everyone, welcome to Sources classes. So in this video again we'll be continuing our discussion with respect to the quantitative aptitude section of the paper. So if we talk about the QA section that we have seen this year, so more or less the pattern and the kind of questions that are being asked remain the same. So the similar kind of questions were asked that we have already seen come across multiple years in the previous year papers as well. So the time kind of question and the entire syllabus coverage of the same remain the same as well. But one thing to be kept in mind is that although the kind of questions and the difficulty level of the questions almost remain the same, but the questions this year were more calculation intensive. That is, more amount of time was required to solve the same, and the question involved a lot of calculation in general. So that in turn did contribute to increasing the complexity of the paper and also the section in general. So as far as we know, our intention for this video would be to try and understand that kind of question. So what we'll be focusing on is a question pertaining to time, speed and distance. We'll take a look at this and try to understand how to go about solving this kind of question, so that whenever we come across this in any future examination, we are easily able to solve it. Okay, so let's focus on the question at hand. The speed of the car is 1.5 times the speed of the bus. If the car travels at the speed of 60 km per hour, what will be the speed? What will be the difference in time taken by the bus and the time taken by the car to cover 720 kilometers? Okay, so it's given the speed of car is 1.5, that is 3 by 2 speed of bus. Okay, so this is what's given, 1.5 times. So here it's given car speed of car given is 60. So speed of bus will be t. So therefore speed of bus will be 40 km per hour and speed of car is simply 60 km per hour. Okay. Now we know distance equal to speed by time, or speed into time. So therefore time will be distance by speed. So time for bus, since the distance is 720 km and speed is 40. Okay, so what is the difference in bus? So if we do the same, 18. So time taken by the bus would be 18 hours. Okay, and time taken by the car would be 720 by 60, 12 equal to 12 hours. So therefore difference in time will be 18 minus 16, 2 hours or 4 hours. Oh no, so 18 minus 12, sorry, my bad. So 6 hours. So option 2 is the answer. Okay, so I hope this is clear. This is a very straightforward kind of a question. So we have been given two speeds, the relation between them. So all we had to do was simply find out the difference in time. So hopefully this thing is clear. So in case you are having any kind of doubts and difficulty with respect to the question that we have discussed, I suggest to go through the entire video and try and go through this as many times as you can, and then try and solve this question on your own, keeping the video as a reference. Okay, so that it can give you a better understanding as far as the concept of the same are concerned. Okay, so hopefully that this question could also have been done by another shortcut way, since it's given that what we know, the speed of car and speed of bus are in the ratio 3 by 2. Okay, so we know in that, therefore time taken by car and time taken by bus would simply be in the ratio 2 by 3. Okay, so that will be in the ratio 2 by 3. So now if we talk about time by we have been given the speed of car, so speed time by car would simply be 720 by 60, that is 12. So we have 12, therefore time of bus again will be 18. Again we could have gotten the difference to be 6. So this is another way, a more easier way to solve the same. So we could need to find everything, and so this way we could have also gotten the same. One thing to be kept in mind is that when distance is constant, so speed ratios, suppose S1 by S2 will be basically inverse of T2 by T1. Okay, they'll be inversely proportional because more speed, less time, less speed, more time. So simple logic behind that. Okay, so this is an important point. So, in case you're wondering, looking to get yourself the fully solved paper of the same examination, you can feel free and contact us. So for that, what you can do is go to the description section of the video, wherein you will find all the details pertaining to our email ID, our website link, and our phone numbers on which you can call, text, or WhatsApp us, or you can mail us, or you can visit our website and contact us. For any kind of guidance pertaining to an exam preparation, for any kind of guidance for the same and help for the same, we'll be more than happy to help you out with that as well. And also, in case you need a fully solved paper, be it your VRC, QA and LRDS section, we'll be more than happy to help you out with that as well. So feel free to connect with us on that. So with all that said and done, in case you like the video, make sure you like, share and subscribe to the channel so that we can keep coming up with relevant content such as this further down the line. So having said that, I'd like to wind up the video. Thank you so much.